Hi, this is Hari Krishna. You are watching High School TV by Hari. Today's topic is find the HCF of given numbers by Euclid's division lemma. It is a real numbers topic, chapter 1, 10th class. Here are the questions. Find the HCF of given numbers by Euclid's division lemma 900 and 270. Second question 38,220 and 196. And third question is 1651 and 2032. First we know the what is the Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma, it is a Euclid's division law to find the HCF of two numbers by writing given two numbers continuously in the form of a equals to bq plus r and satisfying the condition r is less than b and r is greater than or equals to 0. A equals to bq plus r, where r is the remainder. A is the dividend. B is the divisor. And Q is the quotient. This is also similar to the HCF finding by long division method or actual division method. To find the HCF of 900 and 270, first we find the HCF by long division method. What is the bigger number in these two? 900 is the bigger number and 270 is the smaller number. 270 take as the divisor and 900 as the dividend. Now do the division and find the HCF. 270 into, take 3 into 0 0, 3 7s 21, 2 is a carry, 3 to 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 10, 270 into 3 is the 8 10. Now subtraction, 0 taking 1 borrow, 10 minus 1 is 9, here remaining 8, 8 minus 8 0, 90 we got as a remainder. This is the remainder 90. This remainder becomes now divisor and this 270 becomes the dividend. Right here 270, 93 is 270, 90 into 3, 270, 270 minus 270 0. Here we got remainder 0, so that we can stop here long division. So last divisor is the HCF of these two numbers. Last divisor is 90. 90 is the HCF. By using the Euclid division lemma, we can also get the same answer. By using Euclid division lemma, A equals to BQ plus R. Remember, A is the bigger number take. Bigger number is 900. It is a dividend. Here dividend 900 no. I'm taken. And B equals to 270. Smaller number. This is the divisor. Into 270 into multiplied to 3 no. So into 3. It is the quotient. Plus remainder we got, it is 90. Right here. A equals to BQ plus R. 900 equals to 270 into 3 plus 90. This answer equals to the 900. Then this 270. What is the 270? Here it is a B. B means nothing but it is a divisor. Now divisor becomes the dividend. Now 270 equals to this 90. Remainder becomes a, this remainder becomes a divisor no. Here write divisor. 90 into 90 multiplied by 3 no, into 3 plus remainder we got is 0. Remainder is 0 means we can stop here. This last divisor is the HCF. HCF equals to 90. HCF of 900 and 270 is 90. In this way we can find the HCF of any given numbers. Another question, 38,220 and 196. Find the HCF by using Euclid division lemma. It is the 5-digit number and it is a 3-digit number. It is difficult to find the HCF. First, find the HCF by long division method. Always find the HCF by smaller number and take the dividend as bigger, 38,220. Now 196 ones, 196 only. If we take 196 twos, we get the more than this. So don't take subtraction now. 1 borrow, 12 minus 6 is 6. Here remaining 7. Take one another borrow. This is 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Remaining here 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is a 186. First complete the total division first. Then this remainder becomes the divisor. Here total digits not completed, no. That's why I am taking this. 2. 1862 is there. Now 196 nines. 196 nines. Its answer is 1764. I am directly doing 1764. Now subtraction. 1 borrow. 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 5. Taken 1 borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 7 1. Already 1 taken borrow, no. Here remaining 7. 7 minus 7 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. 0 0 means it is a 98 is the answer. But division here not completed totally. One more digit there here. Bring down this next digit 0. Now it becomes a 980. Now 196 into 5. We get the 980. 980. 980. Now subtraction. 980 minus 980 is 0. Here remainder we got 0 means we cannot do further. So what is the HCF? HCF is last divisor. Last divisor means here only one divisor there. This is the HCF. So 196 is the HCF by it is a long division method. Now by Euclid division number we can write A equals to BQ plus R. A is the bigger number, take 38,220 equals to B. The smaller number, take 196 into 196 into multiplied by 195 directly. 195 plus remainder we got 0. So last divisor is this only. This is the HCF. HCF equals to 196. This is the answer. Third question is 1651 and 2032. Find the HCF of two numbers by using Euclid division lemma. So first find the HCF by long division method. In the long division method, always do the division with the smaller. What is the smaller? It is a 1651 is a smaller number. Write a dividend as 2032. Now do the division. 1651 once 1651. If we take 1651 twos, 1600 multiplied by 2 means it gets 3200. So don't take 1651 into 1, 1651. Now 2 minus subtraction, 2 minus 1, 1. Borrow. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here remaining 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here remaining 1 only. 1 minus 1, 0. 381. And this is the remainder. This total division complete. This is the remainder. This remainder becomes the divisor. And this first divisor becomes the dividend. 1651. And do the same. 381 into 4. It is a 1524. Multiply here, you get this answer. 381 into 4, 1524. Now subtraction. Taking 1 borrow, 11 minus 4 is 7. And remaining 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 5 1, 1 minus 1 0, 127. 127 is the remainder, and this remainder becomes the divisor, and the previous divisor becomes the dividend, 381 right here. And do the same. 127 3 is 381, exact value there. Subtraction 0, we got remainder 0, so we can stop our division. So what is the last divisor? Last divisor is the 127. This is the HCF of given two numbers. HCF equals to 127. This A equals to BQ plus R. By using this Euclid division lemma, how can we find this? A bigger number is 2032 equals to B smaller number 1651 into A, this number equals to B 1651 into 1, 1651 into 1 plus remainder we got 381. And in the next step, this divisor becomes the dividend. 1651 equals to this remainder becomes the divisor now. 381 into 4 plus remainder we got 127. This is the divisor now. Divisor becomes a dividend, 381. Divisor becomes a dividend. This divisor becomes a dividend, 381 equals to this remainder becomes a divisor, 127 into 3 multiplied plus remainder we got 0. HCF is completed. We cannot do further. So last divisor is this. This is the HCF. HCF equals to 127. I think it is useful to you. Please do like, subscribe and share.